Okay, so let's see how much looks we can make with the capsule reversible garments I made for this challenge. I'm going to pack my apron dress. I'm going to bring my duster. I'm going to bring my one-shouldered garden party Mimi G dress. I'm going to bring my Ogden Cami reversible. I'm going to bring my tent dress. I'm going to bring my wrap shirt. I'm going to bring my reversible skirt. All right, and a few other things. I'm going to bring a white tank top. I'm going to bring a pair of white pants. I am going to bring a black tank top. I am going to bring some black shorts. And I think I'm going to bring a pair of white shorts, but they're in the laundry right now. But I will add them. And one two-piece bathing suit. Okay. All right. So this side of my suitcase is all full, and now I have this side open for maybe another bathing suit, shoes. I think I'll bring a pair of sandals, a pair of sneakers, and maybe 2 pairs of sandals and sneakers, and water shoes. So that's going to be lightweight, and some souvenirs to bring back. Okay, glasses, pool shoes, nice pair of sneakers, kind of dressy, room for extra toiletries if needed, a pair of red sandals, and kind of my pseudo flip-flops. You might think my shoe game is excessive, but I got lots of space. I'll be carrying my new bag, and I'm probably going to travel with this lightweight blazer for the plane ride, because sometimes it gets a bit chilly, and it's also good in the late evening. I will probably carry along a beach bag as my second piece of luggage on the plane. And with my new bag, I'll be ready to go. Now, I know there's people who love to travel light. They don't like to check any luggage. If I'm going to a resort, I don't mind checking luggage, because usually if I'm traveling with a beach bag or a backpack, I will have 2 or 3 outfits in there in case something happens to my luggage. But I'm of the age now where I'm not trying to travel light. I've got tip money. Now I'm going to add my beach cover-up, which I just realized is reversible. I'm going to add my beach cover-up, an extra bathing suit, and then we're going to go ahead and throw some of these things together and see how many outfits we can come up with for our vacation capsule. I will travel with my eyeglasses, my earrings, jewelry, any kind of medication. I will carry that on with me. Passports, important papers, all that kind of stuff I'll carry with me. I will not check a bag with those kind of things in them. So here we are, one side not so full, and one side packed. you have it. Over 20 reversible outfits in one small suitcase. I hope you enjoyed this challenge, but I wanted to really kind of show you what you could do with reversible clothing. Now, I did lose the footage of the black dress, which was on the tent dress that was on the reversible. I had started with these really lovely graphic bracelets and all this. Lost it. And I did not include the further Ogden cami palooza I had. And I did not include my white linen pants and my black shorts and my white dungaree. I just thought it would be too long. That is another, oh my goodness, cajillion outfits. And that's only a few things to put in your extra in your suitcase. I hope you had fun on this So Reversible challenge. Please tune in tomorrow, if my Wi-Fi goes well, for when I pull prizes. Thank you all so much for coming along for the ride. And let's do this again next year. Now it's time for Dress a Girl. All right, y'all. Take care, and thank you so much for coming along.